Close your eyes for a moment. Take a deep breath and let your heart slow down. God invites us to rest in Him. Just as rivers flow without rushing, God's peace flows through our lives with quiet strength. The sound of water reminds us that God is always moving, always present, always faithful. Scripture tells us in Psalm 23, He leads me beside still waters. He restores my soul. God restores hearts that feel tired. He calms minds that feel overwhelmed. He comforts spirits that feel heavy. Look at creation. Listen to the sounds of life around you. Every bird that sings, every ripple in the water, every breeze through the trees. All creation reflects His glory. Isaiah reminds us that God's peace flows like a river, not temporary peace, not fragile peace, but deep, steady, unshakable peace. Right now, release your worries. Give your fears to God. Let your heart be still before Him. Psalm 46 says, "Be still and know that I am God. You are not alone." God walks beside you like a river that never runs dry. Let His peace cover your thoughts. Let His presence restore your soul. Rest here. Breathe here. God is with you.